Empowerment, empowerment, empowerment. Our children must be computer literate. Our school children must acquire tech skills. Our students must keep pace with the digital world.
Yes, so Elefedike is at it again. Dr. Pascal Chinoye Aneke. Elefedike. Oji Computer Emogo has come with another special package for our school children. Elefedike. Oji Computer Emogo came by 2018. We hail you.
So, what is the package all about?
Elefedike, the community developer, Odozi Obodo, has come with 1 month free computer training for our school children in the Delta Nation, as all examinations, SSCE, UTME, and so many more are becoming largely computer-based. Elefedike and its team Community Education and Women Empowerment Foundation is bringing 1 month free computer training for our school children to equip them to cope with the needs of the computer age. Isn't it wonderful?
Tell us more about this foundation.
Yes, so Community Education and Women Empowerment Foundation is registered with Part C of the Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC) with a vision such as
to promote education, especially among rural dwellers,
to engage in human development activities aimed at making the girl child transcend the limits of all deterministic barriers to living to the fullest of her potentials,
to commit leaders to responsible stewardship,
to embark on youth empowerment and meaningful engagement.
The central objective revolves around education, leadership, and integral community development.
Where will this program be held?
At CO Aneke Human Development Center, opposite Dynamic Garden, Eke Oboza, Idato South LGA. The beauty of this program is this: it is not going to be like the other empowerment programs, which still leave the youth as potential political talks or tools. But this is about education, the access key to the future.
This foundation, with the help of her benefactors, has sustained laptop gifts to all students for more than 6 years now, and still doing more. What else develops a community than meaningful empowerment? God bless this foundation and her supporters. God bless Elefedike, the initiator, the founder, the great community man, Oji Computer Emogo himself. To participate in this empowerment program, call Ambassador 080-6053-5666 or call Chinwe on 070-66-416-822 or call the convener on 0818-3282-440. Terms and conditions apply. Hurry now, limited space available. Only the early birds grabs this opportunity. For sponsorship, call +234 8033 881433.